Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a screen resolution problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the desktop and select the display settings. Under scale and layout you can able to see display resolution. Click on this drop down and you can select 1920 into 1080 like I selected. Or if you have recommended option then you just need to select that guys. For example, I just changing this resolution like this. If you want to keep this resolution, then you just need to select the keep changes option or select the revert option to get back. You can try each of these resolution and find the one which perfectly fit on your screen. After that, scale, you can change the size of text, apps and other items. Click on the drop down and select the recommended one, or you can adjust it by your preferences. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.